Hi guys, I'm Heston Blumenthal, and I have to say how excited I am to be involved with Activate Learning in this new exciting course. We're human beings because we cooked and ate the food that we cooked, and we've evolved in the way that we have alongside the evolvement of our relationship with food. So it's not just about cooking, it's about tasting, eating, enjoying, our emotional connection with the food, our sensory connection with the food, and our memories. And this course covers all of that. This is the course that I wish existed when I started out. It might have saved me a few years, I can tell you. So it'll allow your imagination to flourish, take a leap of faith, at the same time learning all the foundations of classical cooking, which are also important. So any budding young chef that's remotely excited in what I've done in the past or what I'm going to continue to do in the future, just get with this program. Let your imagination fly and learn to be a great chef at the same time. Cheers.